Okay, I have the dash taken loose and the radio I'm about to pull out so I can connect the RCAs and the remote wire, which is not hard to run. Just pull out the glove compartment and run your wires right up through there, all the way on up, come out on the side of the vents. So it's not hard at all to run in a Jeep Wrangler. Okay, got the radio all back together and put back in the dash. Glove compartment's back in. All I have to do is run these RCAs along with the power wire, which I already ran, to the back. As you can see, the power wire is already coming back here. So I need to get the RCAs and everything to come through here. Now I have all my wires ran, nice tucked and hidden. I still have to run the wires because I'm running all the door speakers on highs. On a high amp, so I have to run all the wires for those. So I still have those to do. So what I end up doing to hook up all the aftermarket speakers to the 4-channel kicker amp that we're putting in here, what I did was I just took the radio back out, disconnected the speakers from the factory wires on the radio, and ran wires to each speaker channel up through here that I'll be connecting to all the wires, since they're not going to an amp and these wires were already here. So I'm just going to connect the new wires to the old wires that's running to all the aftermarket speakers that I had installed in here up in the ceiling, and that'll make things a lot simpler. It's like only running one wire. So let me finish this up. Okay, have all my wires ran to the back. All the speaker wires, everything is here. Just have to sort this out and hook it up to the amp rack I made. Got the distribution blocks already mounted, amps already mounted. Everything is ready to just be wired in. So I'll check back with you in just a few minutes. Well, I'm finally finished here. Got the fuse mounted to the wall, connected to the battery, running on through the firewall, into the inside. Have everything tucked away. Radios in the dash playing fine. Protect your neck and your pocket. You successful people think you own something. Ain't nothing funny about my testimony. I call it how I see it. I tell it like it is. Right back here. Don't at me. Kicker 750. Kicker 400.4. Looking good. Wires all tucked in out the way. Job well done. Hope he's happy when he comes to